Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve this butterfly fall de-stress hairstyle, and this hair is from YEBO on Amazon, and I'm gonna be linking that in the description bar below if you guys wish to purchase. So if you guys have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're new, and if you're not, welcome back to my channel. So for this hairstyle, I've done a different braiding pattern for this hairstyle, so I'm gonna be posting that video in the coming week. But if you guys have not already checked out my last video with a different braiding pattern and also another fall lock hairstyle, you guys can go ahead and check that out. Also, I'm gonna be linking those in the description bar and also in the iCard above. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just stick around for the video. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be doing another crochet fall lock braiding hair. This time it's a de-stress fall lock. So it's from YEBO, and I got 7 packs of crochet fall lock here. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. I really love it. So this is it, and it's 12 strands in each pack, 5 hair accessories, and I also got a crochet needle also. So I'm gonna go ahead now, and this is the braiding pattern for this hair. So if you guys haven't checked out my other video on the braiding pattern, then you guys can go and check that out. I will also link that in the iCard above so you guys can see that. And this is another braiding pattern. I'm also going to be posting this video next week so you guys can see how I achieve this pattern. So yeah, let's get right into the video now. So I'm going to be putting the link to this hair in the description bar below in case you guys wish to purchase this hair, and it's from YEBO on Amazon. So I'm gonna begin by doing the back of my hair. So I've already started off a few strands so you guys can see. So it's basically the same as I did before, but the difference is that the pattern, the braid pattern, is different, and this is for persons who don't want to braid their entire head, or for persons who just want to mix it up a bit to have the front a little bit more defined. So you guys will see more as I get to the top. So what I'm doing with the back is I'm just adding each crochet hair on each braid. So that is what I am doing for the back. So I'm just layering them, but I'm not going to be putting too much at the back because I need to make sure that I have enough hair to do the front, and then I can fill in those after. So for this here, the loop is a little bit small, so what you guys want to do is that you want to widen the loop as best as possible to get the hair to pull through with ease. So it can be a little difficult when the loop is not wide enough because you have to pull through the entire hair, but just try and widen it a bit and then you'll be all set. So if you've gotten this far into watching my video and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the red subscribe button below and also turn on your post notification bell for more content. So my main reason for doing this braiding pattern for this distress hair is because I want to be able to have some versatility when it comes to styling the front. So I can do a middle part styling, I can do both left or right side parting, whichever looks good. So that's the reason why, because this braid pattern allows you to be more versatile with your styling, and also for the front of your hair to look a bit more defined. So what I'm doing here is I'm just filling in some hair onto the other parts that's left out. So I'm just styling the front with my latter body edge control, which is my favorite edge control to use. And so there you have it, guys, nice and easy and simple. This hairstyle took me quite a while, I did the braid pattern the day before just to save time, and then the other day I just went and did the crochet here. So thank you guys again so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, please share the link with a friend, leave your comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Remember, you're beautiful, and there's no one in this world who's more beautiful than you. See you guys next time. Bye.